This week, our freshmen have been working in the Innovation Center with soldering irons and glue guns to make their own stained glass art. A common sight in Catholic churches throughout the world, stained glass has inspired the imagination and prayer of believers for centuries. Through this experience, students designed their own art using CAD software to express their unique spirituality through stained glass. Once completed, our students are able to share with one another before taking these beautiful works of art home to their families. An individual's spirituality is often unique. It's limited only by the individual's ability to see the specialness in all things. At Fairfield Prep, our freshmen begin exploring their spirituality in the opening days of the school year. Ignatian spirituality teaches that we can find God in all things, highlighting the idea that the sacred can be experienced in everything. Whether we're working as collaborators with God in creation through taking care of our environment or exploring new forms of artistic expression, the ways in which one connects to the divine through prayer are endless.
This project was developed during our Educational Innovation Summer Booth Camp, where our faculty come together to brainstorm ideas and find new ways to innovate with their curriculum in support of the Jesuit mission. In the McLeod Innovation Center, we focus on creating meaningful and interdisciplinary hands-on learning experiences that allow our students to connect classroom content to creativity, reflection, and real-world making inspired by Ignatian spirituality. Throughout this project, students are bringing together art, faith, and history by designing and creating their own miniature stained glass windows, each one of them reflecting personal meaning and craftsmanship.
When we share our spirituality with others, as students do in this exercise through art, we become religious. By providing opportunities for students to explore their spirituality, we lead them towards the goal of becoming religious, growing in fraternity with one another, and growing closer to God by finding God in all things and in all ways.